John with Arctic here. We're really excited to showcasing the new RazorBack Retrofit kit. And it's a plow unlike any other, as it's the first truck plow that has a sectionalized mold board. First off, this is a retrofit kit. So it's a way to outfit your existing traditional wide out style plow. You're going to disattach the blade at the A-frame and put the RazorBack plow on. You'll get new left and right angle cylinders and the blade with the wings and wing cylinders. But you have to utilize your existing plow harness and mount headlight rack, but it makes it fleet flexible. Being able to retrofit that just makes it easier on the end user to swap over. I think there's a lot of unique features to this blade. One, being the sectionalized mold board. When you hit an obstacle, it's going to be able to trip over that obstacle. The wing is able to trip over obstacles very well, and the mold board is able to isolate the hits as well. Being able to trip over those is important so you don't destroy the expensive piece of equipment pushing it. Biggest attribute is having the poly blocks on the back. That's what Arctic's known for, having a blade that's able to flex and contour to the pavement. And the poly blocks are really like having a fuse. If you hit something, that's designed to break in extreme circumstances. The poly blocks don't break under normal wear and tear, only when you hit something or really drive into something that you shouldn't. A lot of times we experience a lot of jarring in the vehicle whenever their blade trips, depending on the setup you have. Where this trips a lot easier because it has a trip spring, but also has the poly blocks to cushion that trip as well. It's a lot better experience for the user or the operator plowing. Time is money in the snow removal industry, and when it snows, you want to have the most efficient piece of equipment on the front of your truck, and the RazorBack's what you need when you're looking to do that.